If you are troubled by the problem of your hair falling or they are becoming thinner day by day due to increasing roughness in the hair, then it is natural for you to get upset. But this problem cannot be overcome by being upset. Rather than being upset, this problem can be increased more. While the solution is already available in the onion that kept in your kitchen. So today in this video, we are going to share with you benefits of onion juice for your hair growth. Let's begin. Beauty experts believe that the nutrition present in onions work to make strong to the hair roots, which works to increase the volume of the hair or make them thicker. Regular use of onion juice on hair gets extra nutrition, due to which the hair becomes shiny and soft. According to the experts, the dietary sulfur present in the onion works to grow hair in the head where the hair has fallen. At the same time, it makes strong to the hair, which reduces the loss of beauty of the hair every day. Sulfur is very important mineral for our health. It helps in the production of enzymes and proteins. Keratin also contains sulfur, which is the main ingredient or component of hair. Sulfur present in the onion juice not only nourishes our hair and helps in its growth but also speed up the process of hair growth. Onion juice protects the hair from fungal infection and also prevents the problem of dandruff in the roots of the hair. Because onion juice has antibacterial properties, onion juice does not allow any kind of infection in develop to the hair roots, due to which the hair is able to grow fast and remain healthy. Onion juice also contains antioxidants like flavonoids. These help to keep our entire body radical free. Due to this, the chances of hair fall are less and the texture of hair becomes smooth. Now I'll share with you how to make onion juice for your hair. To apply onion juice to hair, first peel the onion and then wash it. Cut clean onion into small pieces. Grind the chopped onion or make it juice with the help of juicer. Now filter this juice with the help of cotton, cloth or fine sieve, so that the thick onion particles separate from the juice. Now apply this onion juice to the hair. If you are thinking of avoiding the onion smell, then add 2 to 3 drops of any essential oil to the juice. For example, peppermint, lavender or rosemary essential oil. All these oils are very good for our skin. So how impressive was this video? Please comment below. Thanks for watching. If you have found something useful in this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.